Hello and welcome to the live trading room recap for Tuesday, June the 30th. My name is Barry Anderson. I'm the moderator of our trading room. This is the address to get into our room, and you can log in with your Facebook or your Twitter account. Well, personally, I had a really good day. I actually had three trades in which I at one point made over $1 in each one of the trades, which I don't think I've had a day like this before. So a great day. Two of them were on the short side and one was on the long side. So let's just take a look to see how I did it. BPOP. First of all three of the good trades they came from my watch list that I created last night. BPOP, Ago, and AMBC were all stocks that just got hit hard yesterday, like most stocks yesterday. So I had them on the list, perhaps for a bounce, but I had to let the charts tell me what I was really going to do with them. So BPOP, let me just shrink this up just a little bit and bring it over here. Here we go. So here's where it closed yesterday, and immediately it just was weak again. So even though the market was up today, at the beginning anyway, and it's still been up all day, this was still weak. Again, if you don't know what BPOP is all about, this is, I believe, a bank in Puerto Rico, and Puerto Rico, of course, had the news yesterday also that they were in trouble in terms of defaulting on loan guarantees and all. So this is why I really wanted to keep watching it. So as the market was going down or going up, and this one was going down, I just decided to take the short right here at 28.78. And boy, I mean, it really just kept going down and down and down. I was able to exit some here at hard to see, but at 27.71 and 27. Actually, this is 27.71 and this is 27.68. So over $1 a share on both parts of this one. And my only problem is that I didn't hop on it when it came back. I just sort of missed it. Had several opportunities probably over here. Here, this little pullback could have got in here. But at any rate, definitely a nice trade. The next one was AMBC. AMBC. This was really crushed. Excuse me. Now I missed it early. I was concentrating on BPOP, and I really missed it early. But the same thing. I mean, once this broke down through 18, 18 was right here. Excuse me. I decided that this was just so darn weak that I had to try it. And so, excuse me, I'm sorry. I got into the trade at these are shorts, 1778. Exited right here at 1666 and 1696. And again, the same thing. So this is over $1 here and a little less than $1 here. Same thing. I kind of missed the boat on the when it came back because it really 1770, 1717. Let's see where it is right now. At 1746, but it got as high as 1817. So a little bit choppy, but nonetheless, I think there was an opportunity perhaps to get in right here, and I just kind of missed that one. The other one that actually we went long on, and this was one of the small ones, and this was actually the early trade. This was before the other ones. SGNL was strong out of the gate. You can see here is where it closed at 148. So we were watching this one in the pre-market. It was very strong. Obviously, watching to see if it could break through two. I missed this. Really, I probably should have got in right around here at 220. A little bit reluctant. I think if I looked at the daily on this, I was looking and seeing a little bit of perhaps a little bit of resistance in this area. So I was sort of reluctant to get in. And so I waited and I finally took the trade here at 242. Basically on this action here, I mean, these are 5-minute candles. I mean, this is hardly a pullback, but a little bit of stabilization and then it popped up. And the volume candles weren't great. This volume candle was a little bit better. This volume candle, I just decided I had to take the trade once it cleared this level. Got in at 242, pieced some out at 254, and the balance at 279. And I think kind of disappointing. I mean, it gave a lot of it back. It has kind of come back. Definitely will watch this one tomorrow though to see if it has any continuation. Let's see. I did have another little trade in ABB, not worth really going over. The last one was AGO, and that turned out to be a really, really nice trade. Now, I took this trade. This was on the second break of 24. Again, it was in the best 10 list. This is one that actually, let's take a look at yesterday's trading action because I think it was. Here's where it had the big drop, it came back up, had a pullback, and then I think at the end of the day, it actually had a bit of a nice climb. So, it certainly had it in it to do this, but what really got me involved in it. Let's take a look at it, make sure I got the time right here, is about 1:45. Let's take a look at the SPY at the same time. Look at this. Here's the SPY really moving up. And I basically said that if as long as the SPY was going up, I would take this trade. I did wait for the second break at 24. I took some out at 24.25. I actually got extremely lucky here because right around here at 2490, my computer froze up. At least my internet connection disappeared. So I had a couple of anxious moments. I had to reload my brokerage platform. And when it came back, it had just popped over 25. I told the room, I said I was looking for 25.02 on the bid. I got it and I got out of the trade right here. I mean, here's the high at 25.03. So very, very fortunate to do that. And then it has now started to come back. My guess is that the SPY is probably moving back at the same time. Yes, you can see that. So this really was tracking the SPY. So overall, a fantastic day. Three trades, AGO, BPOP, and AMBC, all at one point gave me a $1 gain. Again, I don't think I had any trades like that before or a day like that before. So um, the so some of the other ones that we have been looking at, other strategies like the 30-minute opening range break, not working at all right now. I'm just kind of retiring them. And that's what is going to happen with some of the strategies. Eventually, they stop working. Doesn't mean I discard them forever, but right now they're not really working, and especially when I'm trying to concentrate on going short on some of these things. So. I don't know. Who knows what tomorrow brings? I understand that maybe Greece won't have to go through a referendum. I don't really know. I haven't been following it I haven't really followed the news today on it. I'm just letting the spy tell me exactly what's happening. Obviously, there's some positive things coming out of Greece on this, but who knows what's happening here? But anyway, great day, and I hope some of you were able to do at least partial of what I was doing today, getting involved in some of these ones that are distressed and just keep, if the market's going up and these stocks are going down like BPOP and AMBC, there's a reason for that. So, you can kind of pile into the shorts and just let the chart tell you what to do and when to get out. All right, that's it for today. Let me just bring back the cover page. Here again is how to get into our room, and I hope to see you in the trading room tomorrow.